Yo, yo, yo. What a day. It's been a day, man. I don't know how many Mortal Kombat people up in here, but Peacemaker come out in 2 days, so I'm gonna put that out there. Your boy Peacemaker come out in Dos Dias. One of my favorite characters from the Suicide Squad. Turn that man to a Mortal Kombat character. That's dope. And I love MK. I am a huge fan. Alright, I'm not gonna be on that long tonight. I need some I gotta do some other stuff, so I need to dive into this because it is a lot that I gotta do tonight on this stream. So I'm going go ahead and get this intro out the way. Welcome to the Junkyard. I am Combo Junkie, and this is another episode of Coding with Combo, where we use some of the most modern software on the market today to build something cool, something interesting, okay? If you've been here before, welcome back. If you are new here, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. It goes a long way. YouTube has been growing pretty nicely. I can't lie. I'm not mad at YouTube growth at all. YouTube has been kind of doing this stuff. Twitch has kind of flatlined a little bit. I ain't gonna lie. What's this? Sorry, just answering to. Alright, anyway, so YouTube has been great to me. Twitch not so much, but you know, that's the grind, right? Like it is what it is. I do got some real work that I got to get done tonight, so I can't be on stream for too long. But I do want to at least knock out one ticket, which is creating the wireframe for the story page, right? The most anticipated page that we've been working on. We're gonna try and really knock this wireframe out really quickly tonight. I don't think we're gonna do anything beyond that because again, I got to do some real work. However, I do think we at least gonna get this one thing done. So let's recap what exactly it is we are doing, right? We are building ourselves a new gaming website, something that looks similar to what you see here on IGN. So for us, it's going to be a really limited web experience, right? We're going to have a concept of 3 content types. The main content type, the meat and potatoes, the bread and butter of the website is going to be our story content type. So I'm trying to click on one of these. There we go. Shogun review. Hold on, IGN. That took a little while to load right there, IGN. I don't know about that load time, IGN. I was on that for a while, IGN. Okay. That's more like it, but be better, IGN. What is this, IGN? Hold on. Time out, yo. Time out, yo. We don't wait on web pages no more, IGN. That's yesterday's websites, okay? What is this? What is this? IGN, what is this? Oh, you're breaking my heart. All right, anyway, so we have this concept of a story content type. That's one of the 3 content types, right? The story content type. And this is really the meat and potatoes of the whole website. So we have a bunch of stories that has like, the stories has a title, and it has a summary, it has some content, like some story elements, right? Where you got some videos. This is like a highlight component of some sort. This is another image right here. There's an image here. So this all makes up the story, right? But also the story has 2 other content types that are tied to it. One of them is the tag type, right? So this is a piece of content that is tagged with this Elden Ring Shadow of the Earth Tree. And what this is basically saying is that anything that's tagged with this shows up in this section, right? So it's a way to better organize your content on a web page. And then you have this person content type. Right, that's our 3rd content type. You can say that a story was written by a person, right? So a piece of content can be written by a specific user. And sure enough, if you click Rebecca Valentine's section and scroll down, these are all the stories that Rebecca either wrote herself or contributed to in some way, right? So, one of these has 256 comments. Awesome. Good job, Rebecca. So we want to make something similar to this, right? Where we have the same concepts. But for us, it's going to be a little more watered down, hopefully faster, because that was kind of slow. But we're going to do the same thing. So tonight, what we're gonna do, since we're not gonna be on that long, we are going to wireframe out this story design because we have all the other pages. So we are on the hook tonight for creating a wireframe for a story. But first, before we do that, let's see where we are with the website, right? Let's see how far we've come so far. So I'm gonna head over to our IDE. Wait, where is my, hang on. There it is, okay. I'm gonna head over to our IDE, put that on the center stage. I think we can get rid of this. We finished that last stream. So let's head over here and let's start up our app. And I think it's a start app, so SAP. And we'll open that in the browser. Let's make this a little easier to navigate. There we go. All right, let's just hit the browser. And this is our website, right? It's very rudimentary, pretty basic, kind of looks bad. But it's a really basic site, right? It just has a carousel here at the top. You can kind of scroll through. I think you can scroll through these. Yeah, there you go. You can scroll through these images here at the top. You have an infinitely scrolling wall of content. As you scroll down, more content loads in. Maybe more content loads in. Oh man, that is okay. There we go. Maybe that was not going fast either. Hey, shouldn't we have more content than this? Oh yeah, we wiped out all the content last week because we changed our content model. So we don't even have as much content as we used to. But we have this, and then we also have the person section and the tag sections built, right? So if I click on this tag by Usistas Volnus, we can see that that section has a life, right? It actually has a presentation. We have an infinitely scrolling wall here as well. Let's go to another one. All right, so if I scroll down to the bottom, you can see that I never really make it to the bottom until I'm done with content. That is adorable, this dog picture. But then we also have person pages, right, where we can actually go see Shauna's page. She has a beautiful cover photo, a nice profile picture, and then a sort of description here in this bucket. And then this page also infinitely scrolls, and this is all the content that was created by Shauna. So now, though, where we are now is we should be able to click on any of these story titles and go to a story page, okay? And that page should have a tag. It should actually have all the tags for a given story, or maybe the first 3 or 4 tags. It should have the title, the description, the summary. Like any field that we have should have some representation on that page. So that's what we're going to be wireframing tonight, right? And we're going to end the stream there. Just want to keep reiterating that, but let's actually dive in, right? I want to I'm going to do something off screen real quick. Let's pull up our, there we go. So now what we need, we have this homepage section and authors. Now what we need is our final content type, which is the story. So what I want to go do is I don't trust this document here as being our 100% accurate depiction of the fields that we have on story. I actually want to go back to our do I want to do that? Let me think real quick. What would be the fastest way to do this stream tonight? Yeah, that's okay. Let's do it. I'm gonna go back into our Sanity Studio and see just what fields we've added to the story so far, right? And the best place to look at that is not the schema in code. I'm actually gonna look at it in the Sanity Studio. Let's head back over to the IDE, and we will open up a split pane here so that we can do a start Sanity Studio SSS. And it looks like we do need to update Sanity. I'm gonna do that. This has been asking me to update this for the longest now. Like almost every time we log on, it's been asking me to do that. So I'm just gonna do this real quick. Go. All right. So that looked like it worked just fine. Now we can go ahead and start it. All right. Let's open that in the browser. All right, now let's look at stories. Now this is going to be our most complicated coding project, but I think the field creation, like the actual wireframing of it, is not going to be too bad. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to take some notes in our IDE. You guys won't see the note-taking process, but I'm just going to come in and I'm going I'm gonna take a note of every field that we have here. Every field we have to, and we're gonna make a decision as to whether we need to account for those fields in our wireframe. So let's go back to the browser so you guys can see the fields that I'm grabbing here. See, I grabbed summary, description, featured media, thumbnail, and we'll figure out the metadata for these images later. And then there's story elements, and then I saw authors. I think tags is the last one. Yeah, tags. Okay. So I guess we were not that far off. Now I'm gonna come here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start a new. Let's do this. I'm gonna start a new one of these. Okay, let's just pull this in. And I'll say story fields. And this is just gonna be my temp. I'm gonna delete this and I'll just add temp here so I don't get them confused. But this is, whoops. This is the latest that we have, right? We have a title field, a subtitle field, and when we create this new design, we're gonna use this as our kind of guide, right? To say, all right, what fields do we need? Where do they need to be oriented? How do they need to be oriented, etc. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a first pass at deleting some of these values because I don't need all of them, right? So like, for example, we don't need to show the slug on the story template, right? That's just the URL. How do you get to the story? So we don't need to show that. Summary versus description. I'm actually gonna say we're gonna show the summary and not the description. Because the summary, in my mind, if you're one of those scrollers through content that don't like reading full stories, but you do like reading the short synopsis, then that's where summary would come in handy. Description to me feels like something that belongs on the teaser pages, like the section front, the person front, etc. Like that's where you would really find a description. So I'm gonna get rid of that. Featured media we're gonna keep. Featured media is that big header image that you see at the top of the page. So we're definitely going to keep that. We're going to get rid of thumbnail because just like description, a thumbnail is something you would see usually when content is being teased on the section. So we'll get rid of that. Story elements, we have to keep that, right? That's what makes up all of our stories. And we'll also keep author and tags because those will show up somewhere near the introduction to the story, right? So, okay, so this isn't going to be too bad. Right, the way I'm seeing it is it's gonna look a lot like, in my head at least, it's gonna look a lot like the IGN story. Now I'm not gonna steal it exactly. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna try and start from scratch. To be honest, I'm not gonna use that. I will try and use our homepage. That's the closest I want to get. I don't want to steal too much of this design, but I want it to kind of feel like this homepage. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do, just so you see that I mean business, I'm actually going to start scrapping like all the guts of this template. And let's go ahead and lock this because it's gonna drive me nuts if I can keep moving it. I'm gonna start scrapping like all the guts. Right, to the point where all we have, let's get rid of Hank Hill there and whatever that is. Now all we have is the wireframe of the website, right? We got our header and our footer. And in between here, we'll have our actual story. So what I'm thinking is like the tags for the story, like how to get to the sections that the story is about, will be above here at the very top. That's the first thing you'll see when you come. Second thing you'll see is a really big representation of the title of the story. Like it'll be big, right? And then you'll see perhaps the subtitle just below that in smaller text, but not so small that you don't notice it's a subtitle. Just a little smaller. And then underneath that, you'll probably have your byline and your date information. And then underneath that, you'll have in block quote kind of font, you'll have the summary. And then of course your huge featured media. Maybe featured media shows up first. Actually, I'm gonna go steal some ideas. So first, let's go look at like a sports site, right? So sports news. Let's go look at a nice, comfortable sports website and see how they do it. Because there are some artistic ideas for where feature wow, look at this. This is almost exactly what I just this is almost exactly what I just described, right? You have your title up top, followed by a subtitle, followed by your byline, like your person content, and your timing information. The only thing nope, they're not even missing the tags, right? I said that the tags are going to be the very first thing you see. And then, but the only difference is they don't have a summary here, right? So we would have a summary right below Will Bacchus, and then under that would be the featured media. I really don't like this design though, so I don't even want to use it. Let's go find another one. All right, this Fox Sports, really popular sports website. Wow. See that Travis Kelce story? Let's use that one. Travis Kelce said he would marry Katy Perry or tennis. That's kind of hilarious. That's kind of hilarious. Yo, I only just found out at the Super Bowl that they were dating, so maybe I'm hilarious. Okay, so this is another good example, right? They actually lead right in with the feature media. They don't play any games with shying away from that. So if we go here to 150, which is kind of the viewport that we'll be using here, they come right in with that. Their tag is under the story, right? And then they have the headline followed by the published information. I don't even see a byline here. Maybe this is the byline? Not sure. Not a great example. I'll go find a different site. Alright, so this isn't sports news, but oh, it is sports news. Messy! So once again, right, we have this format, and I think this is just how people consume media now. Okay? You have your tags at the very top, followed by a very prominent title, followed by a subtitle if one exists, followed by your byline, followed by your date information, followed by your featured art, and then the rest of the story. We are going to stick with that model, right? So let's actually put our fields in that order, right? We're going to do tag, followed by title, followed by subtitle, followed by summary. No, followed by subtitle, followed by, maybe it is summary next. If there was a summary here, where would it go? It would probably go between the byline and the featured art, like right here in not so big text, right? Let's see if we can't find one with summary. Summaries aren't extremely common in some of these later, like more modern. No, we're not gonna. Some of these modern websites that don't like these. Believe it or not, are not summaries. They're image captions. So summary usually shows up above the featured art because it's describing. It's like giving the reader an option to either opt in to read the whole thing or not, right? So you don't want that to show up. You want that to be a companion to your featured art, but you want the very next thing after your featured art to be your content. So at least that's what I think. They do have editor's notes. I don't think that counts. I do like this template, but I still don't see. That's okay. Let's do GameSpot. Let's see, Christopher Nolan. So this is not a bad site, but let's just see if we can get. So this is a subtitle. This is the rest of the story. They just dove right in. Again, subtitle. And this this is nothing. That's just a note from the publication. Yeah, they're just a note from the publication that every reader needs to know that they might be getting paid off these views. All right, have my money. Can have my money. Yeah, so all right, that's fine. I'm just gonna figure out what to do with our summary, and I think the way I'm gonna do it is there's gonna be like 2 gray lines that encompass the summary, right? And it'll just be a bit of a smaller text than the rest of the story. But one thing also to note about text, right? A lot of this is like competing content. I mean, competing font styles. So like this is the H1. It's big, black, and bold. This, I don't think this is an H2. I think this is just a prominent block of text. Yep, it's just a prominent block of text, and it's bigger than the story text. So now if we add a third, which is going to be our summary, it needs to be a little smaller than the subtitle, but also bigger than the story body. Right? And then they have this competing piece here. All right, so I think we're good there. I think that's how we'll do ours. So after the summary, we'll put our featured media. And then after the featured media, we'll put our caption under the featured media. So we will have our image caption. And then we'll go right into our story elements, right? So we'll do tag, followed by title, right? Followed by subtitle, followed by followed by, after our subtitle, I say we go byline. So our authors, basically. Author. We'll do authors, and then maybe we'll put a limit on how many authors we show. Like maybe we only show 2 authors. And maybe for tags, we only show like a maximum of 2 tags, right? Yeah, and then maybe for authors, we say like, maybe there's like a hover state, right? I think that could be cool. Maybe it's like when you see the authors, like let's go back here real quick. I think that will work. So if we go to GameSpot, and where's that Chris Nolan? So like, what if he wasn't the only guy? What if Eddie Makooch, Eddie Makooch? All right, I don't know what his real name is. Okay, I'm just gonna call him Makooch for the rest of the night. Eddie Makooch. If there were like 4 of them, then maybe there's this truncation effect, right? That's like you see 2 of them. It's like by Eddie Makooch. I don't know, Chris Pube and Jeffrey Pitt, and then it's like ... and if you hover over the ellipses though, like the ... then you actually see who the last person was. Like it just pops up in a popover effect, like a tooltip. I think that could actually be cool. So we'll do something like that. We'll do the maximum amount of byline entries. I think we'll just do 2 by some, and then ... All right, so let's go back here. So we'll do 2 tags. We'll do 2 authors at a time. No, we'll do like 3 tags. I think we can fit more than just 2 tags. And then the rest of these should be fine. All right, let's dive right in. So let's start with the title, since that's going to be the biggest part of the page. And I'm going to use a heading font because, well, I think I need to actually click place that I want to add the heading. All right, so there's our heading. Say hello world, and it's way down here. We want it up here. Okay, and that's way too small, right? We want that to be way bigger, and we want it to be left aligned, right? News websites are always left aligned. And another thing we want to do is this needs to be anchored in, like the margin needs to be aligned with our hamburger menu. So the text should start like right here. Boom, there we go. And then for Trend Junkie, it'll start like right here. Boom. All right, so that's our headline, and that's way too small. We'll make this huge, right? This has to be really big. Stupid big. All right, there we go. And we're gonna steal the content from a real story, so we can kind of have some perspective as to like what our page is gonna look like. So we'll still, let's find a cool story, something that we don't mind seeing for the rest of the stream. Okay. Causing reset to player stats? Yo, that sucks. That sucks so bad. They're resetting people's stats by going down. That's insane. Alright, we're gonna do a kind of longer title. I do want to do a long title. We want Disney Plus in March 20. No, I can't read that name before. I don't want to read Taylor Swift's name for an entire stream, okay? I saw it through the entire Super Bowl. The US just landed on the moon for the first time in 50 years, but it wasn't all smooth. That sounds kind of dreadful. Like a dragon in infinite wealth is already discounted for $40. $40. Alright, let's see. Alright, whatever. This is fine. Alright, so this is going to be our headline. Let's go pop this in here and see what it looks like. Right, that's 4 decks deep. So obviously that's not going to cut it for us. That's too big. So the question is the font size big, or is it just that the there's too many words there? But I think it's the font size that's too big, so I'm gonna go down. Actually, let's find out what theirs is. Let's see, what did they do for font? 46 pixels. That's actually kind of small. Wait, let me see what happens if I go up to our 150 it kind of feels right. So I'm not gonna use that exactly, but I am gonna use that as a confidence booster. Okay, we'll say ours is 52. All right, so we have a 52-point font, bolded, and that is like our header. I actually think there's a way to make this even heavier. Canva Sans is like the Sans font of this is the Comic Sans of Canva, so I think this is fine. All right, that looks good. That looks good. Now let's work on our tags. So we need like a body text. No, it's gonna be bigger than body text, but what are the tags here? What are the tags here? Do they have any tags? Doesn't look like it, but we'll just say this is about pre-orders. And how should we separate the tags? Maybe space pipe space, anime space pipe space, Amazon space pipe space, and Crunchyroll. And we'll say if there are more than 4 of these, we need some kind of thing, right, to indicate that there's even more to choose from, right? Because with our person, we already know that we're just gonna make it an ellipses that you can hover over. But I wonder if we should limit the tags on a story at all. Like maybe we do want to expose all of these at all times so that our users can always get to the sections that they are referring to. I'm actually going to add a few more spaces in between each of these. All right. Uh-oh, we got Matthias. We got Matthias trying to hit me up real quick. My boy want to hit me up on Facebook. Let me just make sure he okay with it coming through the stream. Oh, let's go. Matty P finna hop on. All right, let me go prep for this. Oh man, we was making good progress. That looked good. Yo, somebody told me recently, like, they were like, yo, are you a designer or have you ever been a designer? I'm like, nah, I hate design. Like, it's one of my least favorite things to do. They like, yo, you actually got skills in the design space. You see how I made that a little darker burnt red instead of that light, like, harsh red? Little subtle things like that make web pages look better. I'm telling you. I know it sounds crazy, but little subtle things like that you really want to be careful of when you design on websites. Like sometimes a page can be so loud that it looks immature, and that's just the truth. Like it'll just look like an immature design. Let me make these text a little bigger. I'm gonna say maybe 30 is good since that's like 50. Maybe a little smaller, right? So 20. 28, 27. All right, there we go. 27. So now that looks like an eyebrow. All right, so let me go see what. Hang on, I think I have to do it on Twitch. My bad, y'all. 1 second. Let me just. I gotta do one thing real quick. My boy just created this GitHub and this next thing I'm about to do, y'all, I got such a good feeling about it. I cannot wait till it kick off. That's what me and him working on right now. But it got such good, like, high potential. Like it got a potential to be really awesome. All right, while he doing that, let me just get this subtitle done. So let's go steal our subtitle. And we'll just pop that in here. This is just gonna give us a baseline, right? We just need some text to work with. And we don't want a subtitle to be bold, right? The subtitle does not need to be bold. It just needs to be big enough to be prominent, but it doesn't need to be bold. And I see the problem with this now. This isn't left align. That's why that was giving me such grief. You left align something and anchor it to the left. If you make it bigger, it gets bigger from the... Oh, wait, he's looking for me. Hang on. Let me tell him real quick. Sheesh, did I just yawn? Did this get burned? I've been down laughing at that, Tim Robinson, I think you should leave. The question is that big enough? I don't think so. So 32 feels right. That feels okay. I just wonder now if the subtitle should show up. It almost feels like this is too big now. So let's do 48. Word to 48. That's not horrible, but now this looks too big. So let's do 20. No, let's do 30. Yeah, maybe we... I think that the balance is just weird. Why is this not loading? Come on, Twitch. Be better, Twitch. Trying to do the... This is being so weird. Yo, every time I'm streaming while I'm trying to do this, it always act like crazy weird. Your last stream hit a record. Oh, did it? Good job, last stream. What was I doing last stream that made it so hot? So it should be, yeah, it should be this followed by this. Then that. What is taking this so long to load? Yeah, I'm trying to start it right now, bro. Hold on. Let me, I think I'm gonna have to do it from a different browser, maybe? Hold on. Let me try from Incog. It's being, like, really funny. Oh, there you go. Here, what's up, Maddie? Matthijs. How's it going, Matthijs? My entire screen just like... What was that? Yeah, that was different. Fully alive at every moment. I got authentication on here? To run headfirst into adventure. To connect with good friends and best friends. What I hate about that is somebody's ad is playing in my ear right now. Like it's a random ad. In denim that's made to keep you ready for this ride we call life. Wrangler for the ride of life. Did I catch it on time? Yes, sir. Oh, yo, I know how to. I'll start doing this more often. Well, I just gave myself an ad, some ad revenue. All right, let's see if I can do it. Yo, I feel like it's down or something, Maddie. Like, to be. Yo, man, I feel like something off with it, bro. Is that my internet? Like, what's that? I feel like something off with it, bro. Is that my internet? Like, what's that? I feel like something... Oh wait, so my video definitely disappeared. Is it? Wait, I feel like with this. I feel like we've been here before, bro. On my channel page, it says I'm offline. With the echo go to the beat. Let's go. Accidentally lit up in this, bro. Let's get it. Yo, while you right here, Matt, what's the best font to use for a news website? Hurry up. Don't think about it. Don't think about it. Should I use this Monasterat? Real quick, before we fix the other thing. Monasterat, bro, or what? Or should I go back to one of the sands? He said, nope on the Monasterat. I guess he said sans for sure. I told y'all, man, that's like the font for what news website is. I don't know why. It's like everybody love them. I definitely want medium for the yeah, that look good. All right, so what's happening, Maddie, is that the Twitch thing, bro, is just not loading. Like, it's just spinning. The thing that I usually do to get both of us to be on here at the same time. And then also in other news, the what is it? Yeah, that's really weird, bro. My webcam gone too, though. Like, it's just vanished. But I can see I'm still here. What the hell is going on? Is it back? Yeah, there you go. So when I go to IDE, it's back. I'll kick it in the head like, oh, you to me like a bug. Hold on, I think I figured it out. I think I had to get off of that presentation, maybe? Let me do this. I'm gonna shut that down. Go into the... I don't remember doing it like this before either, but... No, this is how I did it before, yo. It was through the dashboard. It just didn't give me this much grief, though, last time. Oh, he gave me a real font. Vastly? I wonder, can you load fonts here on Canva? I don't think they let you do. Is it just down today? Like, is... This man's a beast. I said you can't do that. He like, all right, give me 2 seconds. All right. Chill out, bro. Chill out, man. That's the DoorDash that you just ordered. What you mean? What you mean? That's the DoorDash that you just ordered. Calm down. It's not letting me do stream together today, bro. Alright, yeah, alright, just chat it up there. So basically, long story short for y'all looky-loos, me and this man are working on a project. We trying to put some real dope together for the next couple weeks. Actually, next couple months. Boom, boom, boom. There you go. And in order to do that, we decided we was gonna have a repository. So he about to walk me through how to do like a really funky way to collaborate with other developers, and teach them some real basic JavaScript in the IDE. So we're gonna pause on this for now, and we're gonna see what he got cooking up. So, Matt, where's that, bro? Where's that? And hold on, let me go back to that. While he doing that, he was was also sending me that other thing. All right, okay, we collabing. Look at that, Combo Junkie in his first collab ever. What is that? You from 3, 4, and 5 years ago, bro? Oh no, that definitely about 13, 14 years ago, bro. What you got? Bro, if you don't change that picture, bro. Cool 8. Cool 8 years ago, bro. He said, yo, this is a classic. He said this is a classic by Gay. Alright, let's get it. We just gonna he ain't got the main branch. He ain't no feature branches. Not in this row. Maybe we'll make a new branch. So we let's see, this is Combo's first branch. Let's build feature, yeah. Like it'd be like the way this will really be, it'd be like LNL1 Combos first. So this Lunch and Learn 1 Combos first branch, alright? Boom. Okay, boom. So we in that. Alright. So the first thing we need to do is we need to grab this repo. So we know we are next level. Everything we do is next level. So we ain't gonna use Git. Oh, I ain't on the browser, bro. I ain't on the. I'm glad I won because they ain't need to see that picture from 8 cool ones ago, bro. They ain't need to see that picture from 8 Newport 100s ago, bro. Alright. You talking about blow it up? You good? I don't need you to see that classic, bro. Alright, so we use GH up in here, right? We all GH experts, okay? So we going back to the IDE, and we are going to make a new space for our fun little project here. I'm going to say, let's see, how should I do this? Let's do a new window. And y'all can't see that now. So now let me go. You talking about let me be seen? I got you, bro. I got you next time. Alright, so we're gonna make ourselves a new project in here. I was finna kick us out of here too. No, we ain't doing no PowerShell like y'all show, man. Oh, y'all trying to force it on me. Rid of that real quick. Let me make this a little bigger. Alright, they are definitely trying to force this PowerShell on me. Y'all know better than that. What? I don't want Git Bash either. WSL, there we go. Alright, this is what we use. And we are going to go to, we're going to CD there. Actually, I think go to S root, yeah, alright. So now we should be on our site root. Alright, and then let's make a new directory here. Let's call it, we'll call this NextGen. Yeah, NextGen's okay. And then inside of NextGen, we'll make a new folder called Lunch and Learn, and that'll be the repo that we pulled down, right? So we're gonna clone this repo into a directory called Lunch and Learn. All right. So there it is. We have it. Let's CD into Lunch. Lunch and Learn, and we have this. All right, yeah, we're good, right? So let's actually use this as. Why am I typing so weird today? Code not found. That is interesting. Why ain't got code in here? That's fine. Why is this not letting me open it from here? That's really weird. Hang on, let me go do it from the other one. Yeah, it's definitely working. What? Hold on, man. Give me brief. Hold on, let's go. That's real. Hold on, I'm in a different window. Give me 1 second. NextGen. Code. This is the one I'll share. Alright. Cool beans, cool beans. Alright, let's do 1, 2, 3, 4. That big enough? Yeah, it always be the simple things. If you clone, it will create it for you. Yeah, yeah. But I wanted to change the name up just a little bit. So do I just do npm install? I'm guessing I just npm install this bad boy. I added a readme. Eee, look at that. I hate this dude so much. Yarn? Wait a minute. Settle down. Why? Who did I use yarn? Yo, why we using yarn? Why we ain't using npm? He said we about to have yarn now. Dude played too much, and he actually did make a readme. Like he actually took some time to make the readme. So if I would have just cloned, this would have been a directory, I'm guessing. But it's all good. It's all good. So all right. Wait, what can be installed with what? What is all that? Wouldn't I need to install yarn? Why are they having me install cmd test? So, actually, hang on. Let me see. I mean, yeah, I know I can do npm. Is that the same? Is that the equivalent of running npm run dev? Wait, yeah, okay. Yarn equals npm. Okay. So yeah, so npm. Wait. So what's yarn dev then? Is yarn the same as this? Yarn dev is the same as that right there? Yes, sir. Alright, told me to go F myself. So I need to sudo apt install vite. In terms of speed and performance, Yarn is better than npm because it performs parallel installation. Yarn is still more secure than npm. However, Yarn uses more disk space than npm. Okay, so now, okay, that's I don't know. That trade-off don't seem like it'd be the end of the world for me. Like I kind of would prefer the disk space get eaten up, but the security is there. I don't really care about no disk space, to be honest. I just copied that definition. Oh, you on some you got getting your chat GPT on? Getting your chat GPT? I don't give a dang. He in his chat GPT bag. I don't give a dang. Let's go. Let's get it. All right, we got fight now. So now we should be able to NRD is our shortcut. Oh, we got a bunch of stuff we missing. Bro, what is all this? The application failed to start because no Qt platform plugin could be initialized. Reinstalling the application may fix this problem. What? GPT. GPT. Chat GPT. Why is npm not just installing everything? So yeah, Yarn probably would, huh? So yeah, let's just do that. Sudo apt install yarn. Oh, that's cute. They even got progress bars in Yarn. What? Yo, Matt, this is not as straightforward as you thought it was gonna be, bro. Oh, he said run Yarn first. He did say that. It still ain't working, bro. Oh. There are no scenarios. Must have at least one. What the hell does that even mean, bro? Wait, are we sure we in the right place? Yeah, we are. We are definitely here. Did it work first time for you or something? Like, is that what this is? It worked for you as soon as you did it, bro. That's not a yarn or npm error. Should I just blow it out and start over? Just reclone it the way you said it in the docs? Yeah, I don't know if that's gonna have any effect, but I don't mind. What I'll do, what can I call this? No, that's fine, I'll just do the repo. And I'll leave it like this time. Alright, and then I'll do code. Alright, and then let's switch this up. Let's start shutting these other ones down real quick. I don't want to. Alright. Alright, so if we look at the README, which we should always do going forward, because we know he about that life, he write READMEs. So, install and run a project, so, which we there, right? We there already. And then he's saying just hit yarn. Nope, same error, buddy. Same error, buddy. So hold on, let's take the audience to where you just took me. Hold on. Give me 1 second, chat. My ducks in the wait. So this is where bro just took me. There it is. Alright, solved error. There are no scenarios, must have at least one yarn, blah 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 blah. Solution. This error is usually indicative of yarn not being properly installed. Run the following commands to see if running yarn is successful. Remove CMD test. Oh, we didn't even do the CMD test thing. We did it on purpose. Alright, so we're gonna go back to the IDE. We're gonna sudo apt remove CMD test. Alright. Yep. Boom. Dunson. With Dunson. Alright. Sudo apt install. Let's go. Back to the IDE. Back to the IDE. How you install yarn wrong? I didn't even know that was a thing. Oh, you're supposed to use npm to install yarn. I was using apt to install yarn like a goober, bro. I need a better teacher, bro. Man, I'm gonna need you to be my teacher, bro. I'm gonna just need you to go ahead with anything you working on, man. Just become my instructor, sensei, bro. Aww. I can't win for losing up in this jump. He told me if I can get some bread, no problem. I'm supposed to get the homie hookup, bro. So now I think I probably just got to restart terminal, like rebash, because it's probably in my path, right? So let's do this. Let's do... Let's get it. Damn, look at all that. He was right about the packages, y'all. Look at all these packages. 356. 356. Damn, what is this? What the hell is this? Where they put me at? I got a network? Time out. What is all this? I don't need them exposing my IP address. What's going on? Alright, this is kind of clean. This is kind of clean. He said click local. Alright, bet it up. I ain't never heard of Vite, but I'm guessing this is a virtual light is what it probably stands for. Money on that. Alright, so this is my local. Click on the Vite and Typescript logos to learn more. Okay. Taking me to a real website. Okay. Next generation front-end tooling. Get ready for a development environment that can finally catch up with you. Excuse me? Instant server start, on-demand file serving over native ESM, no no bundling required. Lightning fast HMR, hot module replacement. That's some front end lingo. Stays fast regardless of app size. Out of the box support for TypeScript, JSX, CSX, and more. Optimized build, pre-configured roll-up build, multi-page. How is this any different from Vercel or any of the other? Oh, Vite. Why they spell it Vite, bro? Wait, delete that from where? Where am I deleting? Oh yeah, go ahead, delete that, bro. I got you. Stupid. No. Wait, did I ban this dude? It's alt to turbo and Vercel F Webpack. Yeah, I see them, but they coming in way faster than I am able to control them. And then when I went to moderate, damn, you ain't fucking around either. You are like going extremely fast. All right, here we go. All right, I don't need no tutorial. I don't need. Come on now, I'm god at this shit. They just tried to walk me through the mod mode tutorial, bro. Come on now. I ain't ban you, did I, bro? It's claiming that I banned you, bro. Oh, I did it. Okay, it's cool. It's gone. Should I slow down? Nah, you good. Hell no, don't never slow down. Always speed up. Junkyard, baby. What's up? Alright, slowing down. Slow down for what? Wait, no, that ain't it. It is. It's a lyric like that. Slow down for what? That ain't it. That ain't it. Nah, I ain't delete shit. Unless you say something really off kilter. You ain't said nothing crazy yet, so I deleted the one thing that you did slip up with though, but it ain't out of this world, so I'm good. And ain't nobody see it. Okay, so we got this new Vite thing, and apparently it's just like a development platform similar to, let me see. 4 ES modules were available in browsers. Developers had no native mechanism for authoring JS in a modular fashion. Are familiar with the concept of bundling, using tools that crawl processes and concentrate our supply, but over time we have seen. Alright, just fuck all this, Matt. Just give me the oops, excuse me. F all this, Matt. Give me the 411 on why oh, you can't even hop on the stream, bro. Cause I was gonna say just give us the 411 verbally of why we should use this, but I guess we can do some homework at some point. But okay, so what are we doing with these tools though? What are we about to do now? So I'm guessing we can start writing, let's go to one of these pieces of code. I'm guessing we can bang open like a file here. A counter.ts, okay? This is a really easy function. And I'm guessing I can run it somehow, like from here. Click count. Click count, where's count? You mean click it like that? Go back to the page. Oh, snaps. Oh, snaps. Oh, snaps for snaps. Oh, I'm so stupid, bro. That's a button, Mike. Hey. Of course, he ain't tell me nothing about this page. Aww. We can interact with actual code in real time. So cute. How do I reset it though? Uh-oh, let's write a reset function, yeah. Let's see. Don't tell me. All right, so this is... Oh, this is literally just a function. This is gross. I don't want to do this. This is disgusting. What you done put me in? How do you... Wait, so he must be importing this button somewhere on main, right? All right, so we're going to stop letting him tell us the answers. I think he's giving us answers in the background. Yeah, this is vanilla.js. Okay, so we don't need no more answers. So basically, this is the main TS. They basically set up this. This is so light. All right, here we go. We're gonna do it right here. Call it ID reset counter. Type button. Boom. Done. Easy peasy. Beautiful cover girl. We're gonna say this can be. No, well this is what we're gonna do. This is how dope we are, right? We're gonna make it a class counter. And we gonna watch this. Y'all gonna see this is why I'm the GOAT. Y'all finna find out why I'm the GOAT, right? So this gonna be a class of counter. And then this is gonna be a class of counter. And this is gonna be a add type, and this is gonna be a reset type. Boom, there you go, done. Problem solved. Go back to your counter.ts. Where we at? Basically we saying, where's my event? Yep, here we go, right here. Oh, they use ES right here. Cute. I can just pass E to you. So what is it like? E? Hang on. Sorry. Is it squigglies? I think it's squigglies, ain't it? It's squigglies? Yeah, do I gotta return something here? No, I ain't gotta return nothing, do I? Actually, let's just do console.log e.target.classes? Damn, I forgot how to get it. How do you get the classes? Let's just do e.target and make sure that we actually come on, the button. Oh, there you go. Would the console.log be happening here? Oh yeah, the console.log is happening here. But it's only happening on one DOM, so... Like if you see here, it's only happening on one element. Oh, this is so much fun. Old school JS, y'all. Alright, so our stuff ain't hooked up all the way. Get out of here, Mr. Google. Sir Google over here, he over here cheating, bro. Alright, so we can't do HTML element on a class, can we? We should be able to, but maybe not. Cause yeah, there's a query selector. Why can't I just do, why don't this bind it to both buttons? So that's fine. So maybe this is something else then? So it's a class of a card. We got these two buttons in there. So there must be something happening in the card on here somewhere. Cause they ain't even got no words in these buttons, right? Oh, query selector only gets the first instance. So what do I need to do? Like query selectors? Query selector all. What? And then attach to each. Hold on, let me. What language is this? Is this just raw HTML getting a component passed to it? Oh, right here. Here it is. What language is this, Matt? Array HTML button. Okay. Chat in the Twitch chat. You know, left the Twitch chat. Y'all probably like, what the hell? Hold on. I'm about to go back and let Jesus take the wheel real quick. Because I think it's some stuff that some fundamental stuff about this that I'm missing. Like, I don't think this needs to be query selector all because this is actually just grabbing the main app, so that should be fine. I think this is the one where we need to do some array stuff. It's JavaScript with template strings. No, but these look like straight up components, bro. HTML div element, that's JavaScript? No way. Oh, Typescript. I got you, my bad. That's some primitive shit from Typescript. That's like a built-in Typescript, yeah, a primitive, I bet. But so he said, dude, query select the all, and then I think he said array? Like that? That don't make sense, bro. Why they got a bang operator right here? What is happening right now on my screen? Hold on. Let me see. Let me do what he said for real. Hold on. All right. He said do query selector all, and then add array, and then put the HTML button in that. Nope, he was wrong. He don't even know how to do this. Come on, bro. Let me. I'm gonna see if I can find it. He said I'm laughing right now like a dummy. Let me see. Query selector all TypeScript. Select classes. I got you, man. I'm gonna figure it out for you, bro. Did he already? He said, hold on, let me show. All right, go ahead, do your thing. He want to show us how to do it. He want to give us the answers. You ain't got the answer, Sway. I honestly thought this was gonna work, what we just had. But this is not JS though. This is JS. This is vanilla JS. But once you introduce, what's losing me right now is the introduction of this component. This HTML button element. He said that's just like, that's not a component. He's right. That's saying that I'm so stupid, y'all. I'm so stupid. This is easy. I'm so stupid. This is saying that the query selector expects an HTML button element. However, this is an array of elements that we got. So that's the answer right there. Wouldn't it just be that? Query selector all, what does it expect? There it is, HTML element tag name map. So it's okay, sometimes, you know, we gotta find the answer ourselves, y'all. All right, that ain't it either. Why are they doing me like this? Hang on. He said, go look at counter TS. He said you gotta change it there. Oh, I'm so stupid. I'm so stupid. And then now what? Now what? He said, yo, I be getting lost in the sauce trying to be right, man. Now what? Now what, man? It didn't work. Oh, maybe I gotta just change that. Or maybe this the part where this gotta be the map now. Element. And then now over here we gotta change this to map too. Nope. This is so weird, bro. I suck at this. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna figure it out. What's crazy is what we've been doing up to this point is like so much more advanced than this right here. It's just this is crazy. You would think this would give us the answer though, right here, this way. Oh, this is giving us possible answers. He said, I need a mic. Okay, what'd he say? So in the counter function, we need to take the methods and loop through elements and apply there. All right, so that's cool and all, but what do I need to put here? Like, am I right to put the tag name map here? Because if we come here, all right, so look, let's just leave that the same. Maybe what he's saying is leave this alone. So I know this can't be right, but that's fine. We're going to leave this alone for now. All right, and then we're gonna come here. We're gonna turn this back to what it was. All right, so now all of our errors gone. So what he's saying is like now element is an array. So we're gonna have to say like console log. Actually, whoops. Let's do element dot map. Whoops. Let's just do console. He said, yes, leave that. We have to do updates in the counter function to things against each element in the array. So, hang on. So if I were to just get rid of all of this, wouldn't it be element.map? Now that it's more than one element? Hold on, let me just do this. Alright, sometimes you gotta see what you're working with, right? Sometimes you just gotta spit out. You gotta just, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes you gotta. I'm gonna go back here. Oh, snap. Button gone. Button gone. Oh, element for each. It ain't map. Why I can't do map, Matt? He said it ain't map, y'all. The map, I guess map, we ain't got access to map no more. Map gone. And of course I ain't got no button events bound no more, so I can't, that's going out the window. Because map returns a new array, which is what we don't want to do. Okay, so he's saying to just use element, element 33411. Come on, Brody. Alright. Copy. Paste. Element dot for each is what I think the syntax is. An elem. Why this ain't working, bro? Is it because I gotta return something? We're just taking what it gives us and applying a new listener and action to the element. Did it just hear me say that? This ain't working, bro. What is don't like about this though? Does not exist on HTML button element. Oh my god. Because it's not seeing this as an array. That's the problem. It's still seeing this as an HTML a single HTML button element. Like, what happened if I just do this? Old school. Is that gonna complain? Yeah, no, that ain't working. Man, I wish you could share your screen. Matter of fact, you can. You can share your screen. Let me just see your screen, man. See if this stream together thing is working, man. This would be a perfect schooling session. Whole time he started up, he don't know it either. Oh, it's working, it's working. Let's go, it's back up. I'm about to invite you, bro. Oh, you probably, let's hope you ain't speak too soon, man. He said, don't play me, bro. What you mean, I'm the GOAT? He say I'm the GOAT, bro. Alright, let's go over here. Hold on, y'all. I'm finna add him to the actual chat. It's always lit when we got men on the squad. Let's go. You ain't online, bro? You said I am, but it's hate though. It definitely don't want you to spit, bro. It don't want you to spit, bro. Yo, let's do a you should come on with me next time, bro. I'm gonna do a hackathon against you. And whoever win gotta the loser gotta do the one chip challenge on camera, bro. Alright, invite sent. He said, let's go. I knew you was gonna be with it. I bet you I can figure this out, but you already know the answer, Sway. That ain't fair. Sway already got the answers. Bro, I need to eat before this fast over with, bro. I'm gonna be a little saucy if I miss it. Alright, he in here. He in here. It's about to go up. It's about to go up. Hold on, Matt. Give me 1 minute. I'm finna go fix my last meal of the day, bro. I'll be right back. Do not your account is having trouble receiving audio and video from the stream together. Please check your network connection. Consider refreshing your browser. Alright, let me try that. Let me shut down some of these other windows. I don't even care about these other apps right now. I care about the chill beats though, bro. I love the chill beats. I'm gonna shut down. I hate to shut that down, but I am gonna shut down. I'm finna shut down.